So here we have the DMoose Flexbar for physical therapy. This helps release tendonitis pain and improves grip strength. These bars are flexible and strong and have a non-slip grip. So if you're looking to get stronger in your wrists and in your arms, provide a little bit of physical therapy to recover from injuries. And if you have tennis elbow, this is used a lot to treat that and help maintain strength and to avoid tennis elbow. So I'm personally using it to recover from tennis elbow and to do exercise to strengthen up my arm muscles without putting too much of a load. I could go nice and easy. I could be more aggressive with it, and it's great to do extensor and flexor exercises to keep everything from my elbow to my fingers and strengthening my grip. And also when I heal, it helps to maintain, to help keep the tennis elbow away. And also could be used for a daily warm-up routine before a match or before I sit at a desk too long. So the bars come in color-coded resistance levels from 6 to 25 pounds. So it allows you to challenge your muscles and keep them guessing. This way you get the most out of your therapy. Some say it could be a good shortcut to faster rehabilitation and gaining back arm strength. And they say up to 3 minutes a day. Muscle recovery is guaranteed in just a week, but we all know everybody's different. Everybody's levels of pain and injury is different. So do your own research, work with a trainer, and use these bars to reach your goal of getting stronger, rehabbing the right way, and staying pain-free. So good luck and good tennis.